Dogecoin has been all the rage since its origin. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? With the unpredictability and vacillations in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at this really long period? Peruse this article to be aware. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2023. As per our Dogecoin forecast 2023, the coin might have least and greatest costs of around $0.074.18 separately. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025. When it is 2025, our Dogecoin estimate recommends that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of 39 cents, with a base cost of 25 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. According to our Doge cost forecast, it is normal that the token might exchange at a limit of 82 cents, with a base cost of 57 cents in 2030. History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the cryptographic money market, is expansion, as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other digital currencies are figured out to the point that they have a hard inventory cap of monetary forms. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a well-disposed, more congenial type of digital currency that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image. Dogecoin's cost has huge potential. With the sort of acclaim rising, Dogecoin's presence is tremendous, contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no unique preparation. Agreeable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Storing your Dogecoin is presently simple. Thus, use of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the prevalence and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced cash's dynamic and firm worth winds around an atmosphere of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most elevated level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record. Their Dogecoin's all-out market cap is exchanging around $11,520,330,919 and is currently the 8th greatest computerized cash on the planet. Presently, the cost of Dogecoin is around $0.08282 with an exchanging volume of $441,037,126. The ongoing inventory is at $139,097,276,384 Doge, while the complete coursing supply is $139,097,276,384. The general digital currency market capitalization has denoted a huge change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its zenith, it denoted a gigantic fall over the long haul. In any case, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a respectable recuperation as of late. The Doge's cost bore the prompt opposition with no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the vital obstruction of $0.099 and, surprisingly, succeeded. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin Doge value began to exchange underneath the obstruction. Specialized markers propose that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive travel again. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin Doge cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on numerous events. Elon Musk's consistent help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for merchandise and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and without a doubt, financial backer opinion viewing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk declared that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As indicated by the investigation, Doge's cost will maintain on the off chance that the hypotheses work out as expected. Dogecoin came to 11 cents, just with hypotheses. It will become one of the most amazing crypto resources. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise speculation. Dogecoin could be one of only a handful of exceptional cryptographic forms of money fit for being utilized as a practical cash, as opposed to just as a theoretical resource. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin Doge may not be a wise venture, and they anticipate the Dogecoin Doge cost to be around $0.00693 by long-term end. Conversely, the Specialized Examination and Dogecoin Value Forecast of Computerized Coin Cost propose that the coin will go up to 18 cents in 2023. Looking at the ongoing positively trending business sector of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another unsurpassed high in the forthcoming years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly likewise anticipate that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin Doge will reach $1.47 by 2030. Dogecoin forecast 2023. According to the market opinion and future cost activity, the greatest expected Doge cost may be around 18 cents, though the normal cost may be 13 cents, and the base cost may be $0.074 in view of our cost forecast. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin expectations 2024. According to the Doge Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, the typical cost may be 22 cents in 2024. Simultaneously, Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 15 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost forecast for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents. In correlation, the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Doge Value Expectation 2026 as indicated by the Dogecoin Doge cost forecast. It might hit a greatest cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A gigantic meeting is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Doge Expectation 2027. As per our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which likewise is the greatest worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. Going against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin figure 2028. Even in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin Doge cost expectations, the coin could arrive at the greatest worth of 57 cents with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. Our Doge cost forecast uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost, while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin Doge cost expectation 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the greatest and least costs of 82 cents and 57 cents. The typical cost might be around